In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace wheel hub and bearing assemblies on a Nissan Maxima. They are located behind the rear wheels. Let's get started. Now let's remove our rear wheel. I'll be using a 21mm socket to remove the 5 lug nuts. Now that my wheel's off, I'm going to locate our brake caliper and its bracket. We're going to move the bracket bolts, which are two 19mm. They're along the back side of the knuckle. Now remove the caliper and bracket and set it on top of the knuckle. Now let's go ahead and remove our rotor. Just slide it off and set it aside. If it's stuck on, you could also use a rubber mallet to remove it. Now we're going to move on to the side of the knuckle and remove our ABS wheel speed sensor. Just remove the 10mm bolt. Set the bolts aside and pull out your sensor. Now I'm going to move on to the back side of my knuckle and locate our 4 17mm mounting bolts. I'm going to break them loose first. Now to remove our bearing and hub assembly from the knuckle, I'll be striking it with a hammer. I'm going to strike it on the top. Maneuver it out, and there it is. Now to clean our hub and bearing mating surface, I'm going to take a wire brush and brush off as much corrosion as I can. Now I'm going to finish off with some brake cleaner and a rag. And now to lubricate our mating surface. I'm going to take some lubricant and just run it along the mating surface. Now let's install our new wheel bearing and hub assembly. Just slide it into place. Now we're going to hand thread on our 4 17mm bolts. Now I'm going to torque these down to 65 foot-pounds in a crisscross pattern. Now let's reinstall our wheel speed sensor. Insert it in the knuckle and hammer it on your 10mm bolt. Now just snug it down. And make sure it's secure. Now let's torque this down to 84 inch-pounds. Now I'm going to spray the hub with some anti-seize. Now let's install our brake rotor. Now let's reinstall our brake caliper and bracket. Slide it over the rotor and install your two 19mm bolts. Now snug these down. Now let's torque our caliper bracket down to 62 foot-pounds. Now let's reinstall our wheel. Now I'm going to hand thread on my 5 21mm lug nuts. Now I'm going to snug these down in a crisscross pattern. Now we're going to go ahead and torque these down to 83 foot-pounds in a crisscross pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.